Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add more markets in Shopify. So this is useful if you want to sell to customers in different countries or regions and set up your store based on where they are located. So to get started, I want you to open your Shopify admin dashboard, and from the menu on the left side, click Markets. So this will take you to the page where you can see the markets that are currently available in your store. Next, look at the top right corner and click Create Market. So from here, enter a name for the new market so that it will be easy to recognize later. After that, choose the countries or regions that you want to include in this market. Once the locations are selected, move on to the currency settings and choose the currency you want customers in the market to use. Using the right currency can make it easier for customers to understand your prices while shopping. Next, choose the products or catalogs that you want to make available in this market. After setting that up, continue to the domain and the URL options, then select the languages that you want the market to support. So from there, review the taxes and duty settings and configure them based on the region that you are selling to. After that, choose the theme you want to use for the market. And finally, check your settings to make sure everything is correct, then click Save to finish creating the new market. And once that is done, the market will be added to your Shopify store. So thank you so much for watching. That is all for today. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.